The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Cordless Trim Routers. Number 5. Ridgid R86044V. There are a lot of features that I like in this Ridgid R86044V compact router. This cordless laminate trimmer has a variable speed control that can go from as low as 17,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM. This tool is perfect for rounding out edges or cutting grooves in softer workpieces that might be damaged by a more powerful trim router. This Ridgid trim router has a fixed base that you can easily remove using the quick release clamp. The clamp is also used to make coarse adjustments, while the dial at the front is used to make micro-fine adjustments. The see-through square and round baseplates make up for the lack of an LED light. It also has a transparent fence to ensure a cleaner work area. The price is pretty reasonable, but this tool also doesn't come with a Ridgid battery pack. If you don't own a Ridgid battery pack at home or work, then it's going to add to the total cost. Pros. It comes with a transparent square baseplate and a round baseplate. The straight edge guide, collet wrench, flush trim bit, and soft storage case are also included. It has a variable speed setting. Its brushless construction ensures the motor's durability. The girth of the tool's neck fits just right into your hand. It also overmolded to keep it secure in your grip. Cons. The battery pack is not included in the package. Coming in number 4. Bosch 12V Max GKF12V25N. The Bosch 12V Max GKF12V25N palm edge router was designed with the comfort of the user in mind. Everything about this tool is intuitive. Unlike other corded and cordless laminate trimmers, it does not have a flat top where the battery is attached. It has an elongated top where the battery is neatly stored inside, while the overmolded handle underneath sits securely in your grip. The location of the on-off switch depth adjustment lock is also great for both left and right-handed users. Adjusting the coarse depth is hassle-free thanks to the button located at the base. If you want to adjust the depth in increments, then you can use the knob that is located under the coarse adjustment button. You can use it to cut grooves, but its single speed and overall design make it ideal for rounding out edges. The price is pretty reasonable, but you will need to buy a compatible Bosch 12V lithium-ion battery pack as it is not included in the package. Pros. Its unique, user-friendly handle design. Its brushless motor ensures durability even with heavy use. This laminate trimmer is equipped with a spindle lock which makes changing the bit easier. It is safer than most trim routers as the bit area has finger barriers. The tool is compact and lightweight. Cons. It doesn't have variable speed control. Coming in number 3. DeWalt DCW600B. The DeWalt DCW600B cordless router's sheer power goes beyond its compact size. This cordless trim router features a durable brushless motor and variable speed control. You can adjust the speed from 16,000 RPM up to 25,500 RPM to suit your application. You can also depend on the motor to shut off pretty quickly as it has an electronic brake system. The fixed base has a quick release clamp for easy coarse depth adjustment and bit changes. The rear of the fixed base is covered in a large rubber overmold to ensure that it is secure in your grip as you work. Changing the bit is easy with this compact trim router. Just press the yellow button at front and use the wrench to tighten or loosen the collet. This is one of the priciest trim routers on the list despite it not having a battery and charger included in the package. Pros. This DeWalt cordless router is outfitted with 2 LED lights. Reduced noise and vibration. The quick release clamp allows coarse depth adjustments, as well as remove the fixed base to change the bit. The soft start motor prevents any startling jolts when you turn the tool on. It has a variable speed control. Cons. It is larger than your usual trim routers. The housing, combined with the base's girth, makes it a bit of a challenge to maneuver. Coming in number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2723-20. Although it is a cordless laminate trimmer, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2723-20 compact router performed like a corded one. Its powerful brushless motor delivers a max 1.25 horsepower, so you can take on the toughest materials and jobs worry-free. Its variable speed control lets you toggle the speed from as low as 10,000 RPM to 31,000 RPM. The speed dial features prominently at the side so you can easily reach and adjust it. This tool has a fixed base with a clamp closure, and macro adjustments are also done using this clamp. If you want finer adjustments, then use the micro adjustment dial in front. There are two ways you can change the bits in this tool. You can press the red button at the base and loosen the collet with the wrench. Or if you like the good old-fashioned way of changing bits, then you can always use both the collet and spindle wrenches. Pros: this Milwaukee M18 Fuel compact router has a durable brushless motor. It has a long-lasting, high-capacity battery that lets you cut more during a single full charge. It is equipped with variable speed control. This router has built-in LED lights. A large part of the fixed base is covered in textured overmold. Cons: the unit is sold as a bare tool only. The battery and charger are sold separately. It doesn't come with a carry bag or plastic hard case. Coming in number 1. Makita XR01T7. Can't quite decide if you want a fixed router or a plunge router? Why not have both? You can have both and more with this Makita XR01T7 compact router kit. Everything you need to round out edges, cut chamfers, or produce inlays is right here in this neat package. You'll get a fixed base and a plunge base, so you can use whichever is most comfortable for you or fits your application. This package already has a couple of Makita 18-volt batteries, a charger, a hard plastic case, and other important accessories. Its brushless motor is housed in a lightweight yet durable aluminum casing. It has a variable speed control that allows you to adjust the RPM depending on your application. The battery is long-lasting too, so you'll get more cuts out of every charge. The only factor that could discourage potential buyers from choosing this cordless trim router is its price. But if you're a professional who can't be bothered to look for compatible parts and you want to splurge, then this might be the right laminate trimmer for you. Pros: this Makita compact router comes with both fixed and plunge bases. Two 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, a charger, a hard plastic case, and several accessories are included in the package. The unit has an illuminated on-off button and lock button. This laminate trimmer has a variable speed control. The speed can go as low as 10,000 RPM up to as high as 30,000 RPM. The work surface is illuminated with two LED lights. Cons: it is not the most compact trim router on the list. The top portion particularly is bulky.